Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Techy YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to choose a best name for your YouTube channel, which will help you in growth, SEO and branding of your YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video. There are some properties of a YouTube channel name. If your channel name has all these properties, your channel name is a best name. But if it lack any of this property, your channel name will be a bad name. In today's video, I am gonna tell you all these properties which will make your channel name the best name. The first property of your channel name should be relevance. Your channel name should be relevant to the niche or the topic of your YouTube channel. If you are making a cooking channel, your name should also have resemblance with the cooking or cooking industry. Or if you want to run a tech YouTube channel, your channel name should also be relevant with the tech industry. Second and the most important property of your YouTube channel name should be the memorability. Your channel name should be very easy to remember or memorize so people can easily memorize it and search it to find your channel. Third, your YouTube channel's name should be unique. It should not be copied from or inspired from anyone. You have to be unique to maintain your branding and your overall originality on the social media and especially on YouTube. Then after this, your channel name should be simple and easy to remember. It should not be a fancy or difficult name which people find it difficult to remember or type for searching. Now if your channel name is unique, simple, easy to remember and relevant to your niche, now check out if this name is available on all the social media apps, such as you have to check that is this username is available on YouTube, is this username is available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and other social media handles. If you want to create overall branding, your name and your username should be available on all the social media. This will make your YouTube channel a great brand and overall trustworthy brand all over the social media, and this will help you in the SEO and the ranking of your YouTube channel. Now at the last step, it is the bonus tip. Check for the trademark. If there any company exists with the similar or the same name of your YouTube channel, you should quit that name. You have to choose a new name because the channel name is the identity and the online presence of you. So it should not be copied from anyone. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. If you have any questions, you can comment down. I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you have any trouble doing so, you can DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description. That's it for today's video. It's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.